21st.
That's right.
And it is the 21st episode of the KittiesMama Advent Calendar series.
Yes, that makes sense.
Yeah.
Oh, and if you're new here, be sure to subscribe so you can watch these every day.
So yeah, this is a big, huge, massive advent calendar. It's probably bigger than the entirety of
Russia.
Russia. Yeah.
Madison Square Garden.
Bigger than Russia.
What are we
We've
doing?
got like 3 days left until Christmas.
Whoa!
Crazy!
I haven't
Wait,
ordered
it's
anyone
4.
Christmas presents yet.
It's the 21st today.
4 days.
So counting today, it would be 4 days. Counting today, not counting today, you go tomorrow. The next day, which is
It's 4 days.
23rd, and the next day, which is 24, which is 3 days.
Anyway, it's soon.
All right.
So,
Wait, am I like stupid here?
no.
Am I like,
No.
He's the
am
college
I like
person.
freaking out right now? Like,
You're
it's the
going
21st, 22nd, 23rd, 24th, 3 days.
Yeah.
Like if you count today, it's 4 days. If you count the days until we lead up to the 21st, it's 2 days.
I consider Christmas Eve. Like, I'll refer to Christmas Eve as Christmas.
I'm
All right.
so
So, like,
confused.
I get confused.
Basically,
But-
we got 22 compartments here. We're reusing 2 of them because we got to get that magical 24 number. We open up 1 each day. Each of them has 5 in it. 5 gifts for each kid in them. 1 for me, 1 for Emma, 1 for Jonah, 1 for Luca,
And
one
Micah
for
is asleep.
Oh yeah, Micah's asleep.
So let's get on to number 21. Number 21.
All right, guys, I'm closest. So,
All right, guys, we got.
oh, it looks like a backpack.
Oh, jeez.
Whoa,
Oh my gosh.
whoa, Noah.
So this was sent to us by Itsy Ritsy. It's a
Diaper bag.
diaper bag backpack with a changing pad. It's very nice looking. Also, the bottom has this little spider on it.
That's a nice spider.
Thank you, Itsy Ritsy, for the free product.
Open it up.
Look at that.
Look at all that.
That's a lot of paper. Wow.
I love paper.
Don't eat this.
Wait, how big of a piece of paper is this? Hold on. Wait, take a guess in the comments. How big is this piece of paper?
It's so large.
Russia.
Alright, so that was from Itsy Ritsy. Thank you for the free product. Comes with a changing pad, and if our mom was there, I'm sure she'd say something like, "Ooh, I love the design.
Oh, it's so cute.
It's so good, I'm gonna use it."
I'm gonna use that.
Or this will be our dad's diaper bag because it's less girly than the other ones.
One
Alright,
more thing in there for Luke. I like.
All right, there's another Luca thing in here. We've got milestone pennants. Little camper.
What is that?
I
Where
don't
do you
exactly
put them?
know.
let's see.
14 milestone pennants. Let's look at the back. Oh, so they're those little things that you put on your wall.
The little flags that you put on your wall for how old he is. So when
Yeah.
he's 1 month old, then you put that on his wall.
Aren't they just for pictures?
Maybe. Okay, never mind. They're for pictures.
It
So he like
says-
holds them when he's 1 month old and such.
A fun way to turn darling moments into memories as he photographs age milestones and watching a little babe grow.
Oh yeah.
Thank you to Lucy Darling for the free product. Right?
Oh, it's Lucy Darling again.
Yep, very cute.
They're getting them. Are they the
Look
right
at the back
humans,
of it.
darling?
They're very cute. I like it.
It's time for our gifts. Yeah. Jonah!
Whoa! What does this say on it?
This is
Did I just turn
Emma's.
30? Let's go with that. Alright, so in here,
This is
we
mine.
got some toiletries, such as face wash, deodorant, body wash, shampoo.
It won't be good.
And these are from our parents, so thanks, parents.
Look at this cute bag. Love, Beauty, and Planet. Beautiful Moisture Body Wash.
Wow.
Face wash. Deodorant. I like, that's not how you pronounce
Did you
it.
say Dunderant?
I said deodorant.
Deodorant.
I find it funny. Got oil-free cleansing wipes.
Happy birthday.
Alright, so first of all, we got hairspray. And as you can see, my hair's kind of falling apart here, so I'm just gonna.
It's fun. How is it fun?
I'm just gonna
Noah's hair is falling off his head.
kind of like.
Oh, it's beautiful.
I got some mousse.
What does that do?
So apparently, when you like hair dry your hair and you put this in there, it'll add volume to it.
Oh, and we know you hair dry your hair because you stole our hair dryer.
He stole our hair dryer that I use for my hair.
Well,
He stole it. I have a diffuser. What am I supposed to do with my diffuser now?
I'll get you a hair dryer for Christmas. Don't worry.
That's a good idea.
Got some deodorant.
Deodorant.
I'm actually allergic to deodorant for some reason, but
To all deodorant?
it's like okay. I have really like sensitive armpits.
Noah's gonna talk about his armpit problems now.
So there's like it's like a, I forgot the name of what the condition was, but it's like my skin is so thin that like the deodorant will go through it and cause irritation.
That's epic.
Yeah, I'm gonna try it out again. I actually used deodorant the other day and nothing happened, so maybe Maybe it just went away?
Those scaly
Maybe it's
armpits
straight up
are gone.
gone.
I don't have scaly armpits.
Oh, come on.
Oh yeah.
You know.
That one time where like all my skin peeled off.
What?
And no one was just bone that day.
What?
Father knows.
What?
It was very
Enough.
not. It was not fun. Deodorant.
What?
That's enough about your.
That was a huge tangent about deodorant.
That was great.
All right. Then we got Dove because I don't
What's
like.
Dove?
What's up?
You got a whole bird
It's
in there?
literally soap.
They keep a bird in there? Did you know that that's made with pig lard, and so if you put it in the microwave, it would go.
Not that one.
Who
Some
doesn't
Dove
know-
is.
Who doesn't know that soap is
Dove
made
is
out of
like
lard?
the only soap that does that.
Maybe there's that. It
Well,
floats too.
I don't like shower gel, so I use bar soap because whenever I know when it's off,
Get
because
body wash.
my skin gets more
Hold on,
more
I'm picking it
resistant
It makes
to
mine.
friction.
It makes mine feel like rubber.
up. I don't know what
Yeah,
ingredient
when
it
you
is
get
that
out, your
causes
skin is really
that.
soft.
But I'm relatively sure that if you put this in the microwave, then it'll go.
All soap is similar to lard.
So, tune in in 5 seconds.
No,
We're
there's
putting
Micah.
Noah's new bar of soap
Wait.
in the microwave.
No.
Now we got Micah's, and he's not here, so he's not gonna
Alright,
be
so
needy.
Micah.
There will be footage of Micah playing with this because he should be up soon.
Whoa, Megaformers!
It's
Magformers.
Magformers.
Magformers, my bad.
Skytrack Adventure Set.
So what these are
Yes.
magnet things with tracks, and you can build up into the sky, way high into the sky, and have these little rocket ships go on magnets, and it's pretty cool.
Micah apparently saw this at Toy Fair or TTPM and he really liked it.
And he
So,
went off.
thank you to Magformers for the free product.
We don't need a record.
Alright, so thank you to Magformers for the free product.
Thank you, Magformers.
And thank you for watching this video.
That's right.
Please comment, share, subscribe, thumbs up, post on Twitter, and see you later, alligators.
Heck yeah.
We hope you guys all enjoyed the relaxing vibes
The
of this
BB
video.
vibes we gave today.
Yeah, you guys go out there and spread the love.
Uh-huh.
Morning.
Click these rectangles to watch videos, click this circle to subscribe.